Well, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, now my people, I have some things I want to talk to you about. First up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between at least two persons. Now, the reason why I said at least two persons, viewers and subscribers, is because the video shows other persons who was somewhat involved in the whole situation, at least by saying certain things. That's a bit. Now, the video shows a person holding something that looks like a gun. And the video shows the person who was holding something that looks like a gun holding on to a part of a clothing that someone was wearing. And that person was pulling the person. Now, the person whose clothing or a part of whose clothing that the person was holding on to and pulling that person was somewhat resisting. And in the video you can hear when at least one person called someone officer. Now, viewers and subscribers, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And I want to ask you, my viewers and subscribers, this. What would you do if someone approached you and acted as if the person is a police officer without showing any form of identification? And if that person tell you, let us go to the police station or make a go over station, would you go with that person? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let me know your answer. Alright? Now, before I present this video to you, let me tell you this, viewers and subscribers, that this video shows what can be considered as a hostile situation. So, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Let me shot. Let me go. Let me finish. Let me finish. Officer, sir, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be taken down in writing and given in evidence. Officer, come where Baba see. You got your phone. No problem. You no bother with that, officer. No bother with that.
Look away. Well, listen now, look.
Hello, officer. No bother with that. No bother with that. Sir, no bother with that. No bother with that, officer.
We don't have an issue ID.
See person
No, not showing ID, no nothing. You no bother with that, officer. No bother with that. No bother with that.
Oh, fuck you. Brother, if there is one, it's going to go on with the simple as that.
Now, I am not able to confirm if the person show any form of identification to prove if the person is a police officer or not. You understand me? I don't know. And I don't have any confirmed information to determine what started the confrontation or the situation. Yes, I say, but one thing for sure, that situation set away. So, viewers and subscribers, based on what you see and hear in the video, I would like you to tell me, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation where someone approached you and acted as if the person was a police officer without showing any form of identification? And if that person tell you that, let us go to the police station or make a go over station, what would you do? Would you go with the person or what? Leave a comment or comments and let me know what your answer is or your answer are. You see me I say, yeah, my people. Because you can have more than one answers to a situation like this, you know, depends on how you look at the situation. But that look away, my people. You see me I say, And the thing is too, I want to say this to each and everyone, see, when it comes on to police officers doing their job, comply. Comply. But at the same time, it is good to know if someone who claims to be a police officer is a police officer. I think that police officers should show identification to prove, say, yes, I'm a police officer before doing certain things. That's what I think. You understand me? Because you have cases when we hear about where persons pretend to be police when they are not. You understand? So all them little things that me look upon, well, I say little thing, all them big things that me look upon, because those are big situations. You see me? Alright, so on to another topic, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about that situation. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show someone sitting inside of a motor vehicle, and the motor vehicle hit or was touching what I call a fence. See? Now I got the understanding that it is believed that the person who was sitting inside of the motor vehicle was drunk or intoxicated, as all some persons might say. And I want to take a look at this video and tell me what to think about this situation, viewers and subscribers. Some persons on social media found this video to be funny, while some do not. You understand me? Alright, so I don't know exactly where and when the video will be recorded. And before I present this video to you, I want to say this to each and every motorist. Do not drink alcohol and drive. It is very dangerous. Drink responsibly. See? Now please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
A piece of wood.
Yeah, fix that better?
Yeah, no problem, babes.
Alright.
No problem with the wire.
No problem with the wire?
Yeah.
You have to be back the man to fix that.
Yeah, no problem with that.
Because you're coming out of there now.
Yeah, no problem with that.
Come out and see where the man you can talk about. The man, Sage.
You can pay for that?
Yeah.
So where get out for?
Sledge.
What way bounce you wire?
Bunch wire.
You bring down the whole fence.
Bunch you. My question, I bunch wire. I bunch wire. So what's the problem if I bunch wire, boy?
You shouldn't even around them the steering. You shouldn't even have motor vehicle boy operate motor. You know for the in the
So what you do with that? Just bunch wire. I just bunch wire.
You can adjust, eh?
I just bunch wire. But babe,
right?
Alright, my people, based on what you saw and what you're hearing in the video, do you believe that that person was intoxicated or not? I mean, you hear the person. That person, in my point of view, based on how I see the person act, should not even be around the steering wheel of the motor vehicle. Shouldn't even be sitting in the driver's seat. That's in my point of view. Yes, what I say? May I tell you, look, to each and every motorist out there, do not drink alcohol and operate any form of motor vehicle, not heavy machines. Yes, what I say? If it's up to me, no form of machine, no power saw, no to nothing. Don't drink and do certain things. It's dangerous, you understand? Yes, you must be of the legal age to drink alcohol. And if you decide that you're going to drink alcohol, please do so responsibly. The person who me see a video record do something a while ago that I think might be dangerous. Me not go nowhere in front nor behind that motor vehicle, you know? I mean, what if the person just sudden start or something and then next thing hit? No, sir. Me not run them the race there. I say, me some people tell me what they think about that situation. Alright, I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.